variety this is.
No, I don't. Hello, everybody. As you can see, everybody's got their camera in their hand. Jeffrey's here.
He's content 84 now.
Yeah, yeah.
83 on mine.
83 here.
Content
84 there.
Yeah. Just came over to visit for a little while with Brian here and that. And I guess Maricel's still in Mindanao, huh?
Still in Mindanao. She's supposed to be up sometime this week with a surprise.
Oh, that means next week and who knows when, right?
Yeah. When she gets here when she gets here. That's pretty much Marcel. We've been tromping around the hills all day, and we're kind of wondering if we could talk you guys out of a cold beverage.
Well, gosh. A cold thing of water, is that
Cold
fine?
thing of water would work as long as it's wet and reasonably cold.
Yep.
For me. Doesn't have to be carbonated, doesn't have to be alcoholic, as long as
Is
it's cold and wet.
Beth around here?
Beth is down there doing something.
Oh.
What you doing down there, Beth?
Beth, why don't you go grab a couple of waters here quick? I got the camera here, and you know there's no pause on this camera.
Yeah. Well, what's all this, Beth? Squash. It's just
So,
No, big squash. That's a giant squash.
so how long you here for, Jeffrey?
Until I find a piece of land.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Good for you.
Or 2 weeks, whichever comes first. Then I'll go back home. If I have to, I'll turn around and come back again.
To come back again. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Hopefully I'll find something suitable for a house this time around.
Yeah, we'll have to walk over. I did a little bit earlier. Walked over there, and I'm going, wow, is this a huge... It's a huge piece.
Is it?
And a lot of coconut trees. The thing I like about it, it's even a higher elevation than here. And boy, you got a direct shot at Cebu. And they say too that the internet in Getafe is so much faster than here if you can connect up to it.
You're high enough here. You should
Yeah,
be able to.
a matter of fact, at one time we could actually see the end of the dock from Getafe from our place here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, out that direction, because Cebu is right through all them trees. Used to be able to see it here years ago when we first moved in here. Of course, there's nothing here. This was all bare.
You guys,
And
you only had these few trees, didn't you? A couple trees in here, and that was it, huh?
Yeah, we had, matter of fact, if I pan around here a little bit, in back of the house here, we had just a few trees there, and that was it. This whole area here, all the way down to the road, bare. You know, and I got pictures.
7 years, huh?
Yep, 7 years.
Comes up quick.
Oh yeah, well the jungle, like I said, and then trying to keep up with it is about 90% of the problem, because the jungle wants to come back so fast.
So that's smart signal.
So Brian and Beth are down in the corner down there. She's got her, oh gosh, all of her squash planted down there. And that should be growing. And like I said, unfortunately we haven't gotten rain. This is 10 days now. And with the heat here, the ground is kind of hard to tell here. But it returns to concrete real quick.
Although the pond's empty too, huh?
No, the pond is, oh gosh, what did I measure this morning? 54 inches. I go down there every morning and measure it.
Oh, I thought I just saw a video where it was empty.
It must have been an old video. Yeah. And probably that Beth had there.
Yeah, that's when you were stomping around in the mud and you told her, don't go there because the mud's 2 feet deep.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, in the middle of the pond. What happened was last year we had rain all year. Mm-hmm. I mean, we had out of the 12 months, I think 8 months of over 20 days of rain.
Ouch.
And so what happens is everything that drains down off the road drains into my pond. Mm-hmm. And because it drains into the pond, all that silt and that.
Yeah, it builds up.
Yep. So this spring when it dried up, we went in there to dig all the silt out. Well, there were spots, it was over 2 foot, and you just step in it, and you're up to,
Yeah.
and of course, Beth with them short legs.
Should be up there now.
She'd be drowning in there real quick, and you know, once you're in that, you don't know how far down you're going to go before it's
Throwing a life preserver to it.
So, yeah, I told her, I said, you be careful where you step, because there was a spot in the middle where I actually dug out another 2 feet.
Yeah.
So it was literally 4 feet of mud and that. Oh, yeah, so,
So you and your helper doing that.
yeah,
man.
yeah. And that,
Hard
so,
work, sack by sack.
oh gosh, over your shoulder, carry it out. Yeah, oh boy. Yeah, any of your viewers here that want to look back at Beth's YouTube channel, Philippine Expat Country Living, and see what Jeffrey's talking about here, and that there's a lot of videos from last summer when we dug out the pond again. In the meantime here, I'm going to say goodbye, and that Brian's walking back up here, and Jeffrey wants to kind of walk over and take a look at a piece of property here that is probably going to be up for sale. So I'm going to leave you here again with our nice looking grape plant here, and we're all keeping our fingers crossed. So goodbye for now, like and subscribe, and we'll be back again soon.